Geometry in Lambda. In order to read and write the symbols of geometry, Lambda has already provided many symbols, the most common ones. However, two things must be said in advance. Lambda tries to make graphic symbologies as similar as possible to those in texts in black. But it is important to be aware that there may be some ambiguities. For example, the congruent or equivalent symbol in some math texts is marked with 3 dashes, in others with 2 with a dot above. Knowing these differences is crucial, and in case of ambiguity, it is better to use descriptions in words if you want to faithfully transcribe the text, or else to find understandings with teachers so as to simplify writing. So, as a symbol of congruence, Lambda has envisioned this symbol with 2 lines and a wave, and as symbols of equivalence, one with 3 lines. In Lambda, therefore, these symbols are indicated this way and can be selected by the user as usual, either through the F5 key or by selecting them from the insertion menu. There is no short key associated to them, but it is always possible to customize the profile by adding these symbols. Another premise. Generally, it is not necessary to manipulate these structures because they are not elements composed with open and close. Therefore, even if they do not correspond exactly to the symbols in black at the didactic level, it is definitely of little importance. In addition to these symbols, we also find the parallelism R parallel to S, R perpendicular to T. The angle symbol must be placed before the letter, which will then have the angle symbol, the arc or vector symbol. Interestingly, Greek letters are written with the Greek prefix, which is Ctrl-G, and then the corresponding letter. In this case, we have inserted beta, but we could also insert alpha through Ctrl-G and the letter A. Through F4, we then check that alpha is actually written exactly the same way, as we can find the degree symbol either directly on the keyboard or by inserting the specific degree symbol.